So welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to demonstrate a cable stitch which I claim I designed, but I probably didn't, because although I haven't seen it anywhere, it probably exists somewhere in the realms of history. It's a very simple cable stitch and it's a combination of 14 stitches plus 6. So for this demonstration I'm going to use 34 stitches. So we'll start by casting on 34 stitches. So remember, a multiple of 14 plus 6. Excuse me, I need banging away there. I do prefer to use a circular needle. And this is quite a short one, so the other end's been banging on the table. So yeah, casting on 33 stitches. So we're going to begin with purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and then next we're going to knit 8. And then we're going to go to purl 2, and knit 2, and purl 2. So yeah, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and then we're going to knit 8 again. The 8 is where the cable needle will be used. And finish with purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and go to the next row. So the next row is going to be just so that obviously last purl 2 will be a knit 2 on this row, so we'll start with knit 2, and then purl 2. As you can see, they look like pearls now. Knit 2, and then we're going to purl 8. And knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and again purl 8. And end with knit 2, purl 2, and knit 2. Now you just need to repeat the last 2 rows, another 4 times. So on the 11th row we're going to introduce the cable needle, and you will only have to use it on every 11th row. So first of all we're going to purl 2, and then we're going to twist the next stitch. So we're going to work the second stitch on the needle first and knit it, and then we're going to go into the first stitch and knit it and pull both off at the same time. Purl 2, and then we're going to get the cable needle and cable 4 forward, which means taking 4 stitches off onto a cable needle and then knitting the next 4 stitches. And then knitting the 4 stitches from the cable needle. If you've never cabled before, you may find it a little bit fiddly to begin with, but you do get used to it, I promise. And then we're going to purl 2, and twist 2 again. So go into the second stitch on the needle and knit it, and then we're going to go into the first stitch and knit it and take both off at the same time. Purl 2, and then we'll cable 4 forward again. So 4 stitches onto the cable needle, push the cable needle down a bit, knit the next 4 stitches, and then knit the 4 stitches from the cable needle. And purl 2, and twist 2 by knitting the second stitch on the needle and then the first stitch on the needle, and then end with purl 2. Now on the next row we're going to just work a normal purl side row, but this time we're going to give the yarn a bit of an extra tug where we've worked the twists and the cables to make sure that the work doesn't get baggy. So we're going into the first cable stitch from the back, so we're going to pull that tight, and the second pull tight, and the third pull tight, and then just purl as normal. And then knit 2, and just continue doing the row as you would do a normal purl sized row. And these 12 rows are the pattern, which you then will repeat until you've made whatever you're making. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it quite easy, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.